Democracy 2012, now your voice, your vote. We know politics can get pretty dirty, and tonight for the first time we're hearing from two GOP congressional candidates over a mailer that some say questioned one of the candidates' sexuality. It's a story we first told you about 2 nights ago. ABC 15's Hatzel Vela, the only Valley reporter to talk to both candidates about this issue. Hatzel, Congressman Ben Quayle is not happy.
Steve, he's not happy, and here's why. This mailer that plainly tells you that Quayle goes both ways, but if you flip it around, you'll see that they're talking about his ideology, political ideology, sometimes alleging that he's flip-flopping on some issues. Now, I talked to Mr. Quayle for the first time publicly today. He spent a few moments with me. Quayle and his opponent, by the way, Congressman David Schweiker, are in town doing several forums with community residents where they talked about everything, including health care and immigration. No real fireworks until after, when I asked him flat out about the mailer, which we know was paid by the Schweiker campaign. Current Senator Jon Kyl, who supports Quayle, wants Schweiker to apologize, but this is what Schweiker told me.
We were surprised at some of the reaction. It wasn't intended.
It was an absurd mailer, and when they say that they were not trying to insinuate what they're insinuating, that's just a falsity. It's a lie.
A very interesting race because, as you know, both congressmen are incumbents who were forced to run against each other, Steve, because of redistricting.
Yeah, this has been one of the nastiest races we've seen. Thanks so much, Hans.